Now, everybody knows an old fashioned is a drink you order when you don't want that menu. You already know what you're doing. But today, we're taking it somewhere else because this old fashioned tastes like comfort, luxury, and confidence. It starts with the brown butter bourbon. Welcome back to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks is said to be even smoother. Now stay with me for a second. Brown butter bourbon? This isn't some weird internet trick, man. This is a technique bartenders have been using for years, and once you understand it, you never look at bourbon the same way again. So let me explain why butter actually makes bourbon better. Fat washing is simple. Alcohol is great at pulling flavor. Fat is great at holding flavor. When you combine the two, the bourbon grabs all that richness and then remove the fat completely. So there's no grease, no heaviness, just deeper, a smoother, a flavor, a damn. This really started popping off in the early 2000s when bartenders began experimenting behind the bar. And yes, bacon was involved. But butter turned out to be the real MVP. Now, regular butter is fine, but brown butter is different. When you brown the butter, the milk solids toast, you get nutty, caramel, almost toffee-like notes. It smells like cookies, confidence, and questionable late-night decisions, but repeatable bad decisions though. Here's the quick version of the process. You brown the butter until it's golden and nutty, let the brown butter cool, then you mix it with bourbon and let it sit for a few hours. Then you chill it. If the fat solidifies, you strain it out, and what you're left with might be the smoothest bourbon upgrade you've ever made. We keep it classic. A touch of sweetness, a few dashes of bitters, that brown butter bourbon, and there you go. It's an old fashioned, just elevated. This is a slow drink. It's warm, it's rich, it makes you sit back and relax. No rush, no flash. It's a real good cocktail. So if you're enjoying this content, do me a quick favor, man. Hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, stay safe, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.
I bring you that good God vibes. Nothing better than a positive vibe. It's got your 22 big situation when I put it on you. Jazzy, jazzy vibes. I bring you that good God vibes. Nothing better than a positive vibe. It's got your 22 big situation when I put it on you.